What if I told you the world's biggest furniture company became a billion-dollar empire by making you do part of the work? Millions of people drive to IKEA every year, push giant carts, carry heavy flat boxes home, build the furniture themselves, and somehow leave happier than ever. That doesn't sound like good business. So why does it work? The answer is one of the smartest business strategies ever created. This is the story of IKEA. In the early 1940s, Sweden wasn't famous for furniture. It was a quiet country, and a 17-year-old entrepreneur named Ingvar Kamprad started selling simple everyday products: pens, wallets, picture frames, small household items. Furniture wasn't even part of the plan. But one simple problem changed everything. Most people wanted beautiful furniture. They just couldn't afford it. Back then, furniture stores sold expensive, fully assembled products: large sofas, heavy tables, bulky cabinets. Transporting them was expensive. Warehouses were expensive. Stores needed huge display areas. Every step increased the final price. Ingvar realized something that nobody else did. The real problem wasn't the furniture. It was the system. Instead of asking, "How can we build better furniture?" he asked, "How can we completely redesign the buying experience?" Then came the idea that changed retail forever. One day, while preparing a table for delivery, its legs were removed so it could fit inside a car. That simple moment sparked a revolution. What if every piece of furniture could be packed flat? Suddenly, trucks carried far more products. Warehouses stored more inventory. Shipping costs dropped dramatically. Prices became lower. Customers saved money. And IKEA gained an enormous advantage over competitors. Flat-pack furniture was only the beginning. IKEA had another problem to solve. Traditional furniture stores relied on salespeople. More employees meant higher costs. Higher costs meant higher prices. IKEA flipped the entire system. Instead of following a salesperson, customers followed a carefully designed path. Every room looked like a real home. A tiny apartment, a family kitchen, a modern office. Nothing felt random. Everything answered one question: what if this was your home? Without realizing it, customers stopped shopping. They started imagining. And imagination sells faster than persuasion. Then came another brilliant move. Every product had a simple location code. Customers wrote it down, walked into the warehouse, picked up the box, and loaded it onto their own cart. No waiting, no expensive delivery team, no warehouse employee searching for products. Millions of customers unknowingly became part of IKEA's logistics system. And they never complained, because lower prices made the extra effort feel worth it. But IKEA still wasn't finished. The company handed customers something almost every competitor avoided: an instruction manual. Instead of paying workers to assemble furniture, customers built it themselves. At first, it sounded like a terrible idea. Who wants to spend their weekend tightening screws? But something unexpected happened. Researchers later called it the IKEA Effect. When people build something with their own hands, they value it more. The bookshelf isn't just furniture anymore. It's their bookshelf. The table isn't just another product. It's something they created. That emotional connection quietly increased customer satisfaction, without IKEA spending another dollar. Then came perhaps the smartest trick of all: the store itself. Have you ever noticed? There are very few shortcuts inside IKEA.